Hello drone friends, this is Alan at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday morning, welcome to another week here in drone industry land. Before I jump into this week's stories, please comment below this video if you plan on being in Las Vegas in a couple of weeks for the Commercial UAV Expo. This drone conference is an event our team has been going to for years. We would love to meet up with you. We always have such a fun time connecting with other drone pilots and industry geeks at this show. So let us know if you plan on attending in the comments below. Okay, 3 stories this week. First, the Red Bull Rampage is one of the biggest, gnarliest mountain biking events in the world. For the riders, it's a kind of choose your own adventure down the landscape. And there are some just unbelievably gut-wrenching moments each year. Red Bull is no stranger to drones and uses them quite a bit to get up-close action sports footage of the events they put on all over the world. But this year, Red Bull took things one step further by using drones not just to capture aerial footage, but to create 3D models of the Rampage course. And these models were shown to viewers to help them get a better sense of what path each rider on the course would take. Red Bull's partner, Frontier Precision, used thousands of images collected from over 12 hours of flight time. Then they took that footage, they merged the real world landscape with some digitally rendered features and a live model that anyone could witness in the comfort of their own home. So pretty cool. We often see drones used to capture aerial views for events like this, but in this example, Red Bull used the drone for photogrammetry. And not a lot of people know this kind of technology can be captured by a drone. So it's pretty cool to see that Red Bull has caught on to the secret. All right, second story, check this out. A mountain climber named Sandro Groman Hayes shot this drone video in northern Pakistan on a little peak called K2. And by little, what I mean is it's actually the second highest mountain on Earth. The video was shot at an altitude of 28,251 feet. In the Instagram post featuring the video, Sandro said he had tried to fly at both K2 and Everest before running into trouble. He wrote, "On K2 winter, I flew at 7,100 meters. The drone kept falling out of the sky. On Everest, I got close at 7,900 meters, but a windy summit day made it dead weight." This video was shot at a higher altitude than both of those failed attempts, which is quite an impressive accomplishment and a testament to Sandro's persistence to get that perfect and highest mountain drone shot. Okay, this last story is for my Avengers fans out there. Disneyland Paris put on a huge Avengers-themed show incorporating live actors and drones. The spectacle is incredibly creative, with the drones lighting the night sky to show the powers and personalities of the different superheroes. In the video, you can see Doctor Strange cast a spiraling spell of light, the Black Panther's emblem appear as Wakandan soldiers take the stage, and a lot more from your favorite Avengers. This is such a fun way to incorporate drones into a live event. All right, folks, that's all we have for this week. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on the latest drone news. Remember to check the description below this video for links and more information. And as always, to all of you drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying. We'll see you next week.